Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of leftover makeovers. I've got 4 incredible recipes that'll transform those leftovers into mouth-watering masterpieces. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get cooking together. First up is a cold-cut stir-fry that's going to blow your mind. This dish is perfect for using up those leftovers in your fridge. We're talking tender noodles, vibrant veggies, and those leftover cold cuts, all coated in a savory sauce. It's a quick and easy meal that doesn't skimp on flavor. Grab your favorite stir-fry noodles and cook them according to the package directions. This step is crucial for getting the perfect texture. While they're cooking, prep your veggies. Broccoli florets, sliced bell peppers, and chopped onions. The more colorful, the better. Slice your leftover cold cuts into bite-sized pieces. Whisk together soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and red pepper flakes for the sauce. Use 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This combination gives the dish a perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and spicy flavors. Once the noodles are cooked, drain them and toss them in a large skillet or wok with a bit of oil. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the noodles. Add the veggies and stir-fry until they're crisp tender, which should take about 3-5 minutes. Then add the cold cuts and sauce. Stir everything together so the sauce evenly coats all the ingredients. Stir-fry until everything is heated through and coated in that delicious sauce. Serve it hot and enjoy your flavorful homemade stir-fry. Next up, we're taking those cold cuts south of the border for some epic cold cut quesadillas. These quesadillas are a perfect blend of cheesy, gooey goodness and savory cold cuts, making them an irresistible treat for any time of the day. These are so simple to make you'll wonder why you haven't tried them before. You'll need large flour tortillas, shredded cheese, and of course those leftover cold cuts from your fridge. Lay a tortilla flat, sprinkle half with a generous amount of cheese, then layer on the cold cuts, and add even more cheese on top. The more cheese, the better. Fold the tortilla in half and heat a large skillet over medium heat. Make sure the skillet is hot before you add the quesadilla. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, flipping carefully to ensure even cooking, or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese inside is perfectly melted and gooey. Slice into wedges and serve with your favorite dipping sauces. Whether it's salsa, guacamole, or sour cream, these quesadillas are sure to be a hit. Get ready for some serious comfort food. Today, we're diving into a dish that's both comforting and practical. This cold-cut pasta bake is the ultimate way to use up those leftovers. It's a perfect blend of flavors and textures. You'll need 12 ounces of cooked pasta. I'm using penne, but feel free to use any pasta you have on hand. In a large saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat, making sure it doesn't burn. Whisk in 1/4 cup of flour to create a roux, which will thicken our sauce beautifully. Then gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk until smooth. This step is crucial for a creamy texture. Stir in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan, a pinch of nutmeg, and salt and pepper to taste. These ingredients add depth and richness. Once the cheese is melted and the sauce is bubbly, you'll know it's ready. Stir in your cooked pasta and 2 cups of leftover cold cuts. This is where the magic happens. Pour the mixture into a greased baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Sprinkle with 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and more cheese. This will give it a delightful crunch. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 20-25 minutes or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. The aroma will be irresistible. Enjoy your delicious cold-cut pasta bake. It's comfort food at its finest, perfect for any day of the week. Let's elevate your leftovers with a cold-cut quiche that's savory and satisfying. This is the perfect brunch or light dinner option. Start by whisking together 4 large eggs and 1 cup of milk. This will be the base of your quiche. Add 1 cup of grated cheese, 1 cup of chopped cold cuts, and 2 tablespoons of fresh herbs to the mixture. Pour the mixture into a pre-made pie crust. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30-35 minutes or until golden brown. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious cold-cut quiche. Guys, those recipes were insane. We turned those sad, lonely cold cuts into culinary masterpieces. Make sure you try these recipes out and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Subscribe for more epic food challenges and crazy cooking adventures. I'll see you in the next video.